Hi everyone, welcome back to PDQPD. I'm John Sedgwick, and recently I was cruising around the interwebs and I found a cool little tip here that I think might be valuable to a lot of people. And that is there's an app here, an extension that's called Loom for Chrome. Now Loom works a lot like Screencastify with one significant difference. With Loom, it allows you to create a screencast right from within a Gmail. And you can see how this might be useful. If a student sends you a request, hey, how do I do this? You can create the screencast right from the Gmail. The first thing you need to do is you need to add Loom for Chrome. You do that by going to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for Loom. There'll be a button here that says Add to Chrome. Once you've added it, you will see the icon appear in your extensions. You click that once to enable the extension, and then it will be available in your Gmail. And this is how it works from your Gmail. You can see I'm in my Gmail and I'm looking at an email from someone, and they're asking, how do I allow students to make comments on announcements I send out in Canvas? I'm going to hit the reply button, and this works the same if you start a new email and you want to insert a screencast in there as well. But once you open this email, you can see the Loom icon. When you scroll over it, it says Insert Loom Recording. I want to record a new video. You can also insert recordings that you've already done. I'm going to record a new video. It's going to ask me similar questions as to when, like Screencastify does, what I want to record and so forth. So I want to record my full desktop. I'm going to start recording. It's going to ask, I want to record my full screen because I'm going to do a screencast. And we go. It gives me the countdown, and I'm going to make my video. Hi, here's how you go about allowing comments on announcements. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Canvas course where you want those announcements to be. And under Settings, the course settings, you scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says More Options. If you select More Options and then select Disable Comments on Announcements, deselect that, save your settings. Then when you go back to Announcements, you'll see here when I try to make a new announcement, it allows this, whoops, it went all the way down here. It allows this option that says allow users to comment. If I want to allow people to comment on this announcement, I will check that box and then I will click save. And that's how you allow students to make comments on announcements. When I'm finished with this recording, I'll go all the way down here in the bottom. I can either pause, which I'll do right now, and you can see it's paused. But I'm pretty much done with this, so I'm going to click the checkbox. When the recording's done, I'm going to go back to my email, and you can see here it gives me a box with the video and wants a title. I'm going to type in a title. And I'll click Insert Recording. And now you can see that the recording is put directly into the body of the email. Now again, you can do the same thing in Screencastify, but you have to create and translate the video, and then you have to bring the video directly in. It's a couple of extra steps. This is much easier. The limit on Loom is you have only 5 minutes of recording time, but typically that's enough time to do what you need. At any rate, once I have this in here, I can click the send button, and it sends the video inside the announcement back to the person I wanted to go to. Now another thing that I can show you on this is once the person that receives the email gets this video and watches it, you will receive an email in your inbox that says the Loom recording has been viewed. So that lets you know that the person you sent this video to has actually seen it. That's how you use Loom to insert screencasts directly into Gmails. Hope this helps save you a little time and makes your instructions more clear to folks that you need to instruct. And as always, have a great day.